Hello and welcome to the Flint Stryker channel. I wanted to make a quick video primarily for the benefit of my long-term subscribers to let you know about some updates and changes that are going to be coming to this channel in the next few days, maybe the next week or so. Many of you already know that this past December of 2024, I retired from the University of Dayton after almost 34 years. I was a professor in both the electrical engineering and the optics departments, which mostly meant that my undergraduate courses were in electrical engineering and my graduate courses and my research were in the optics department. Well, the University of Dayton is what's known as a Google school. Our email and calendaring systems and other applications are managed through Google. All of us faculty members as well as the staff have Google accounts. Well, now that I'm retired, my Google account, my university-affiliated Google account, is going to go dark, including a YouTube channel that I use to post videos for one of my classes. Way back in 2013, I was teaching a course entitled ECE-340 Engineering Probability, Random Variables, and Random Processes. It's a course that I taught many times, in fact. But that year I made video lectures, a series of 35 video lectures for the benefit of my students. It's a fairly comprehensive set of videos, and I want to make sure that they're preserved after my university-affiliated YouTube channel goes dark. So what I decided to do is re-upload them here. Now, I know that's going to seem a little bit unusual to see some probability and statistics videos intermingled with a bunch of fire-making videos, but I don't know a better way to preserve my old work and make them available for future students. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a separate playlist for this collection of videos. I'll just call it Engineering Probability, Random Variables, and Random Processes, since that was the name of the course. As I upload them, I'm going to try to keep YouTube from pestering you with new videos that are uploaded, notifications rather. If I fail to get that right, I beg your indulgence and forgiveness. So be on the watch over the next few days. There's going to be 35 new videos that show up on engineering probability and statistics and random processes. Watch them if you'd like. Avoid them if you don't. If you'd like to have a fairly comprehensive and free course on engineering probability and statistics, I encourage you to watch them all. Anyhow, that's what's going to be happening over the next few days. Right now, Southwest Ohio is still in a deep freeze, and once things thaw out, I'm looking forward, now that I have a little bit more time on my hands, to getting back to what I like doing best, making little fires in my backyard. And hope you'll take the time to watch those videos when I get around to producing them. Anyway, that's all I've got for right now. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.